YouTube, it's your girl Desha Pace. I'm going to do another video today, and today I'm going to do keto diet or keto egg muffin, I should say. I've already pre-cut all of my ingredients. I got my tomatoes and onions, bell peppers, onions. I even got some parsley. I've got my spinach. I got my cheese ready, bacon bits, and I've already pre-cooked my sausage. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on and spray my muffin pan down. I'm going to spray my muffin pan down with some Food Lion, what is it called? Food Lion extra virgin olive oil. And that's to keep my muffin pan from sticking. Not sticking, but you know, keep my eggs from sticking. I got my bowl. I got 5 eggs over here. I have, how many people we got eating this morning? I mean this afternoon. Me, you, Eli, what, 5 of us?
Yeah.
Alright, so I broke up quite a bit. I put somebody's eating some chocolate. Sorry. Chocolate syrup ice cream.
How many eggs do you need?
Okay, I'm going to do probably about, that was 5, I'll probably do about 8. And if it's too much, anything over, I just save it, put it in a freezer bag.
Like always.
Yeah.
Because you don't really.
Alright, y'all, I'll put some black pepper. I normally use pink salt, Himalayan, but I ran out and about that much salt, y'all. That should be sufficient. You can stay there, you can stay there. Grab a fork. And right now I am blending my eggs. Let me get some milk. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese at the bottom of these. Just a dribble. Just a dribble. I'm gonna start dropping some meat in here. Y'all heard my oven beeping? And I use turkey sausage.
Because I don't like normal sausage. Or the original kind.
It's a whole lot of sausage.
Yeah. I like turkey sausage.
You mean pork?
Pork. Oh, that.
Is that what you mean, pork sausage?
Yeah. You like the McDonald's sausages like that?
Patties. Okay, y'all. I guess that's enough in there. Okay, y'all. I'm going to drop just a little bit. I know I've cut it way too much. But my intentions is I have a lot left over. I'm going to freeze it. And it'll be ready. You could go in and make yourself an omelet. Yes, y'all. Let's see, did I miss any? No, I didn't. I'll put another one in there.
No.
right, y'all. A little bit. A little bit.
Peppers?
This is bell peppers, y'all. That might be easier if I just pick it up and do it with my hand.
True. It's gonna be really crispy.
All right, y'all. I think that's enough. Okay. And, oh, I missed some right there. Okay. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, y'all. And then the only thing I'm gonna do then is just pour my egg mixture over top. Alrighty, I think that fell out of there. My stove was clean now. And let's see. Let's see, y'all. I won't make a mess. So far, so good, y'all. Let's see. I think I made it, y'all. I think I made it. Okay. Last. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Rain, was that your stomach growling? Does that mean you,
I'm not hungry.
you might be. You might be, Rain. Right, y'all. Last thing I saw D use was some bacon bits. I hope this doesn't look too messy, y'all. But sometimes when it's messy, they're the best.
That's facts.
What'd you say? That's facts.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. I guess I'm done. All right, y'all. I already preheated my oven at 350. Y'all heard it buzzing. Now I'm going to put this in here on this top rack for about 20 minutes. 25 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I'm finishing up my breakfast foods. Now I'm going to fry some potatoes and onions, which I didn't tell y'all about. So I'm going to turn my oven on. And of course, I did not wash out my pan from when I fried that sausage. Keep that in there for flavor. I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil. Let that pan get hot. I'm going to add some water. And Rain she wasn't hungry, y'all, but she's steady eating this sausage. The oven is on. The stove is on. I'm going to go and drop these potatoes. Y'all, I'm going to add some black pepper to it. I'm heavy-handed, y'all, so hopefully it don't look like a lot of pepper.
Mountain fill.
And a little bit of more salt. Well, not a little bit more, but some salt to these potatoes. And I'm going to drop these onions. I thought y'all probably thought that when y'all saw those onions on that plate with them tomatoes, that I'm gonna put them big old onion chunks. Nope. No, I wasn't. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just turned my potatoes off. All nice and fried potatoes with onions. Okay, I'm gonna turn my oven off. And I'm gonna go in and pull out these egg muffins. I might eat this one. Gotta baby do it. How does that look, y'all? It looks scrumptious. Okay, y'all. Let me go on and get some potatoes so Princess Rain can tell me how my potatoes taste. And my egg. She said she wasn't hungry, y'all, so I'm not going to give her much. Just a little bit. Let me get another fork. Let's see. Okay, y'all. I'm trying. Let's see.
You'll probably hear Eli singing.
All right, I got it out, y'all. Now I'm gonna turn the camera onto Princess Rain. Let her try it.
It looks good.
It's hot.
It's hot.
You know, she said it's hot, hot. I know it's hot, hot. It just came out the oven.
Well, it is good. It is really hot because it came out of the oven. So, yeah. I do like it, though.
Okay, we'll be back, y'all. I'm gonna get
With the
Kendall.
potatoes, though.
Oh, okay. Rain gonna try the potatoes. I'm gonna get Kendall to come and try it as well.
Yeah. Good.
Good. Okay, we'll be back.
Mm.
Kendall, how did that taste?
Oh yeah, I like that. Oh yeah.
Try the potato.
Nice and hot.
Yeah, it just came out the oven. Now he gonna try the potato, y'all. I hope I ain't making y'all dizzy because he ain't hold the plate up. Fried potatoes with onions. Okay, y'all. I guess it was a success. Let me go so I can finish feeding my children and grandbaby.